Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. My name is Olayemi. Today I would love to share with you how to make French toast at home without vanilla extract. Please do not forget to hit the like button on this video. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll be the first to know every time I upload new video. Let's start preparing our French toast. I have 3 eggs in the bowl. I'm going to start mixing this egg so everything is going to mix and incorporated properly. So I'm going to start mixing my egg. After that, I'm going to add other ingredients into it. Do not forget to watch this video to the end to know the outcome on how to make French toast without vanilla extract. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then I'm going to add some pinch of salt to give it a delicious taste. So I'm going to add that and I will start mixing. Oh my god, this just spoiled. Let me quickly clean the mess so everything will get clean back. So I'll start mixing everything, but this time around I'm going to mix it gently so everything will not pour away like previous. I've been asked this question so many times. Can you make French toast without vanilla extract? Do not forget to watch this video to the end so you know the outcome if I can make French toast without vanilla extract. So I'm going to add some 3 teaspoons of milk into this mixed egg. So I'll start mixing it properly. After mixing it, we are going to proceed to the next step. So let me start mixing our milk with egg. And please do not forget to hit the like button on this video. French toast recipe is very delicious and easy to prepare. However, French toast is very common and very popular around the world. French toast is a recipe that you can eat at any time of the day. You can equally eat it for breakfast and you can eat it for lunch. However, French toast, you just need to soak the bread in a mixed egg. So I'm going to start soaking my bread in mixed egg. The eggs are already been mixed, so I'm going to soak it and I'm going to put this straight to the pan. However, I already have butter in the pan, so I'm going to let this heat in a medium heat. Then I'm going to add my soaked bread into it. So you can see the bread is already ready. You can as well repeat this procedure for other, but before that I'm going to clean it with the kitchen towel to clean all the dirt so it will be. However, I rub the towel with cooking oil. So I'm going to add another bread soaked in egg. Then I'm going to start toasting it. So you can repeat this procedure for all of your soaked bread until everything is properly ready. All you need to do is to toast this in a medium heat so your bread will not get burned. So this one is also ready, so I'm going to bring it out from the pan and put it in a plate. So this is the outcome of our toast bread. You can see if you do not like the flavor of vanilla extract, you can as well do without it when you are making your French toast. It is okay, you can do without vanilla extract. Actually, my kids don't really like vanilla extract flavor in French toast, so I actually make my French toast with a vanilla extract. So I'm going to put this in a plate so you can see. You can see the French toast is really ready. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of butter. Before you cannot eat your French toast without a warm syrup. So I'm going to add the touch of warm syrup to make this super delicious and make my breakfast look ready. So it's time for me to add my syrup. So I'm going to add my syrup into this French toast. You can see this toast is still warm, so I'm going to add my syrup so I'm ready to eat my breakfast. Do not forget to subscribe to Olayemi Cooking channel and do not forget to share our recipe with your loved ones and your friends. Leave down a comment in the comment section so you let me know what you think about this French toast recipe. And do not forget to hit the like button. And remember to click this box for more delicious Olayemi recipe. Please do not forget to subscribe. so you'll be the first to know every time I upload new video. And remember to click the bell icon. Thanks so much for watching my video. I guess I will see you all in my next recipe, and please be safe out there.